What's going on, you guys? So today I want to talk to you about the KRK Rokit Studio Monitor differences. If you don't know anything about KRK, they began making monitors back in 2003, and that was with the Generation 1 KRKs. And now we are in 2020, and we are in Generation 4. What you're looking at right now are the KRK Rokit G4 8s with the 8-inch woofers and Kevlar material, front-firing ports, DSP-driven onboard EQ, etc., etc. If you are in the market for your first pair of professional monitors, or you just want to get some monitors that fit within your budget, KRK Rokits are without a doubt one of the most popular types of monitors on the market. And in the KRK lineup, especially, the Rokits are some of the most popular. So I thought that it might be nice to offer you guys a little bit of insight into the whole range of KRK Rokits so that you can decide which ones are best for you and best for your needs. To start off, we have the KRK Rokit RP4s. RP4s and RP5s I kind of want to talk about together because they're sort of the same in a lot of ways. They're great for those who are looking to take their monitors with them on their travels. They're very, very portable. A lot of producers and mix engineers these days are very, very mobile. So it's nice to have small monitors that you can take into hotel rooms, into dorm rooms. They're certainly great for students who are maybe in smaller home studios or apartments. You can squeeze these monitors in there really, really nicely. Now, of course, having 4- and 5-inch woofers, you're not going to be able to expect a lot of bass from them. But the fact that they do offer bass down to, I think, about 51 and 45 hertz respectively, it's pretty solid for a speaker of the size. And plus, the speakers are plenty loud. I think even the 4s are like 30 watts, and the 5s are about 50 watts each. So, you have a good amount of power there. And of course, moving on up, you have the KRK Rokit 6s and 7s. The extra inch actually does go quite a long way. It does make the difference in terms of bass response. They're a little less portable, but a really solid in between if you're still working in a smaller studio or a smaller space. They can be felt a little bit more, not just heard at that point. And of course, moving on, we have the KRK Rokit 8s, which are the ones you're looking at right here. There's definitely more sub-bass in this range. The volume and the output just overall is a lot more exponentially. Is 100 watts per side on both of these, so they're really great for mid-sized studios, even performing if you choose to, DJing at a party or whatever. You don't have to worry about driving your speakers too hot to get the right volume. And then lastly, we have the KRK 10.3. These are the midfield speakers. If you're really, really looking to work on heavy bass material, or you just want the loudest possible speakers with the widest possible range, the 10.3s are great. They're definitely suited for larger studios with their 3-speaker design. So those are more left to the kind of professional realm and people who have large home or large out-of-home treated spaces that they're working in. All right, guys, so that's my little KRK Rokit comparison, the differences between the KRK Rokits. If you guys have any insights into which ones you like best, or if you have any questions, please feel free to say so in the comments. All right, take it easy.